In today's video, I'll be unpacking my 1,000 subscriber robot. It's something I don't think anybody has seen in a long time. It is Silverlit Maze Breaker 2. The package contains the robot, an instruction manual, the labyrinth from which he will try to escape, and the route he will travel depending on the instructions. He's using normal batteries. He was 3-point arm mobility. This is his maze. I placed the robot in the labyrinth and ensured he is in maze mode. He then starts to go about the maze and he makes sure to avoid the black line, orienting himself to his destination. He escapes effortlessly. When put on the spiral line, he starts to follow it. As he glides along the spiral line, his sensors pick up subtle changes in the environment, allowing him to adjust his path with precision. Each turn is calculated. Do not forget to subscribe. My next video will explain all the features he has and reveal his name. Comment below how many robots you have and the models they are. I'd be thrilled to hear what you have. Goodbye and see you soon.